Write 360 as a product of its prime factors. So I'm going to start my tree with 360, and I need two numbers that times to give 360. So I'm going to use 36 and 10. But you can use other numbers, you'll end up with the same answer. Two numbers that times to give 10, 5 and 2. Once you get to your primes, circle them. Two numbers that times to give 36, 6 and 6. They're not primes, so can carry on. 6 is 2 times 3. They're primes, so circle them. So all of these are products, which means they're multiplication. So I'm timesing everything together. So I'm doing 2 times 2 times 2, and that's 2 cubed. I'm doing 3 times 3, which is 3 squared. And then I've just got that 5 left. So it's a product of primes, and I've put my answer in index form.